kids have been anxiously awaiting you. So we need to give her your full attention. Eyes on Miss Ruby.
Well, I'm happy to be here with y'all. And I have here, my granddaughter went to get, I left all my ingredients, but forgotten everything I put in here. But, see, I put this on my shuck. That's what I put on my shuck, my dough.
Y'all want to guess what that dough might be made from?
Yeah.
Not pig.
Pig. Now she's putting a mixed pig.
Now this is what it's made from, the meat. That's what it's. And you just roll it like that. Has anybody watched anybody make hot tamales? Do y'all? That's good. Because I don't think it's anybody that don't like hot tamales. Okay, there you go. See, they have these hot tamale machines now that you put your meat in and your dough and all in, you know, in the same machine, but then it separates somewhere. And then by the time it comes to the shuck, it's, I mean, for you to put in the shuck, it's already made. But I don't use the machine. I use my fingers.
Miss Ruby, did you grind your own corn and all that?
Grind my own corn. And I put my, to make my corn, all I got in here now is salt. That's all is in here. And the broth from my meat. You know, when I cook my meat, I use my broth. If I don't have enough, you know, if my corn is going to be too dry, I just add me some more, you know, oil or grease, whatever. But I like to use the homemade, I call it off from bacon, you know. That's the kind of grease that I use. I got a little grandson, he helps me make it. Dylan, he goes to school at Ebarb. Dylan, he goes to Ebarb.
Dylan goes to school here.
Oh, he goes to school here? Stacy's little. Yeah. Yeah, that's my little great-grand. And he takes and he helps me make hot tamales. I babysit him whenever he's not in school. And to make a good hot tamale, you want to put a lot of meat in them, you know. Hope this refines my ingredients. Does anybody have any questions? Does anybody have any questions?
Do y'all have any questions about making tamales?
Hot tamales, are they hard to make?
What's that?
Are they hard to make?
Well, not not really hard, but it's just a good job. It takes 2 days. Yeah, it takes 2 days because you have to cook your corn and your meat, one day, and you gotta let your corn cool. If you don't, it'll be sticky. So you let your corn cool and then you brine it. Usually I cook my corn early that morning, and then I wait till later in the evening, and then I brine, get everything ready, and then the next day, I make my tamales. I usually don't make too many at one time, though.
I tell you what we'll do. I'll let a few of you kind of gather around the table and let you watch her up close make one, and you can go back to your seat, and then I'll let a few more gather around, okay? But we're going to do it in an orderly fashion, and Tommy, we're going to start with y'all that's sitting on the floor. Kind of gather around. Okay, honey, 1 second. Hold your question. You can stand. No, yeah, go ahead and stand, because the other people will get a chance to hear. Okay. Y'all in chairs? Over there? Not here.
Miss Ruby, what do you mix in with your pork? What kind of seasonings?
All I put in my pork is
Do you remember what I said?
pepper, salt, black pepper, garlic. A lot of people put chili powder, but I don't. That's all I put in.
Do you grow corn or you just go buy it?
I have to buy it, and I don't grow it. There's a lot of people. Does anybody here have anyone that grow the corn?
We used to. But we cut it all down because it got rotten, but we picked some.
Christopher.
Get your opportunity to gather around.
Kneel down.
You'll get your opportunity. Miss Connie's videoing it, so maybe we'll watch it later in the room. And then you can actually see everything that's up close because Miss Connie's real close.
Now this is the corn. This is the corn. That's before it's
Well, yeah, they use the same thing.
well, when I go to Mr. Lee's, is anybody in here kin to Mr. Lee? I tell him I want clean corn, so if it's dirty corn. And then I cook it in this. Somebody may be familiar with pickling lime. We use it to. A lot of people.
Makes your pickles hard.
Yeah, they're
Cucumber.
crispy. You pickle. So this is pickling lime, and I put it in this right here. See, it's not lye. It's lime. It just peels all that old husk off, and then it comes to be this. You see. And after you cook it, you have to cook probably about a good 2 hours, for it to cook. And you don't want for it to cook too much, too soft. Just put it whenever you put your, break it with your fingernail. Because if you cook it too soft, then when you go to cook it, brine it, it'll be sticky. Okay, now this is my meat ingredients. That's just the pepper before you brine it.
The pepper before it's ground.
Yeah. This is a pepper before you grind it.
So you put it out first before you
And then you brine it, and that's what that is, you see. That's what goes in my meat. And then this is the garlic.
Garlic.
That's what goes in your meat. Now this is your corn. Everything goes with corn. But all this here goes in your meat. That's your salt and black pepper and your peppers and your garlic. That's all goes in your meat right there. I usually try to use my bacon, grease. That's what I like to use. But if I do, I have to use oil. I use oil. Does anybody else have any?
I'm real happy with the people toward the front. People in the back, I'm a little disappointed in you. You'll get your opportunity to gather around. Just be patient.
How long do you have to cook them, Miss Ruby?
These here, because now if you just cook a few, probably about 45 minutes. But I usually cook, a bunch of them about an hour.
Okay.
Hours.
I'm gonna get y'all to come back to your seat. Does it smell good? Sure does.
Smell good? I tell y'all what, I give y'all and let the teacher cook them for you.
Timothy, go around. Shelby, go around this table. Timothy, you can get right here. You'll get your opportunity to come watch her make one up close. Just be patient.
Now you can make them, put you a lot of pepper or not too much pepper. However you want them. A lot of little ones can't eat too much pepper, but you like
So hot to know. I've got to. I like
I got them up pepper.
bell peppers.
You like pepper?
I do too.
Now, it's not bell pepper that you use.
It's the
No,
hot
it's
peppers.
It's the hot peppers.
I like all kinds.
the. Well, usually I have to buy my pepper in those containers, That's why I buy my pepper. Because I didn't know. No, but that is some from the garden down there.
See her? Put the meat in the center and she's rolling it up. Okay, let's give, now y'all go to your seats and we'll give someone else an opportunity. Tell you how they're cooked. You don't put tamales in the oven.
Well, I got a little iron outfit.
All of these people should to say.
Then I put my, if I got scrap shucks, I usually put them around. Then I put my water about that much underneath the hot tamales.
So basically it's the steam that
It's the steam that cooks it. It's not the, water. Because if you put, just let them boil in water. Well,
it's just a mush.
yeah, they're just boiling. But it's the steam that cooks them.
Miss Ruby said it's the steam that cooks the tamales.
Yeah.
You don't want to put them in the oven. Remember I told you about the water? Just a small amount of water. Too much is going to make them mushy.
Yeah, it'd be underneath your tamales, about that much.
Don't get on the table.
Wrap them real good in foil, but if the water don't get to them. And you can cook your tamales in foil, too. If you want to cook them in foil. Yeah, a lot of people think you can cook. I don't know how they would come out cooked in the oven. I never have cooked them in the oven.
Okay, let's give the last two tables an opportunity to go to your seats. Ariana, your table can come. Shabrita, your table can
I
come.
called them a minute ago and they didn't bother coming. Just Sabrina came.
Shabrita, I appreciate you listening.
Y'all get out of her way. Get back.
And when you know that they're cooked, you know they're cooked whenever they roll out. Nice. See, now you can take this, you see, they won't come out. It won't roll out as shut.
Miss Ruby said you know that it's cooked whenever you take it and it rolls out of the
Yeah.
shop. If it sticks to the shuck,
Yeah,
it's not cooked.
it's not cooked, you see.
You ever get a tamale that's still stuck to the shuck, it's not
It's
done.
not done.
Well, she just opened up the shuck and looked at it, and it
Yeah.
was still stuck to it.
Yeah.
No, you don't ever eat the shuck.
You know, I have heard of with a lot of people that they don't know what to do with a hot tamale.
Right.
Yeah.
Especially people not from around here.
Yeah. They don't know what a hot tamale is. They don't know and they don't know how to eat them.
Pick the whole thing
I
up.
watched a
Just
man
start
at the
eating.
tamale fiesta one time. He just like started eating it from the bottom, and whatever came out the bottom is, I guess he thought that was it, and then he threw away the shuck.
Hot tamales and then bacon.
Oh, that's great.
2 days. And I enjoy going.
Where do you go? Back to school?
You know where the, I call the hall, the city hall is at, I mean the jail? Just across, well, you facing the lake line.
Oh, okay.
That's where I go in Monroe. And it's an airport. Did anybody see that?
Miss Ruth's telling you, have you ever seen corn grow in a field, like in somebody's garden? You know when you first pick the corn, when it grows, does it look all nice and ready to eat? Or do you have to get some stuff off of it, right? Well, that you take off the outside before you get the little hair and
That's what
stringy
the
thing? That's what that is. That's that piece.
It's
That's what you are.
Yeah, the good part.
It dries. And then you, seasoning in the dough.
No, I think you just read a story. We read a story in class. Yes, Alex.
Why don't you cook them in the oven?
Why don't you cook them in the oven?
I don't know why not. I'm just, I don't how.
Miss Connie said she likes chicken tamales.
Sure, it's just meat. It's pork.
It's meat.
It's mixed with seasoning. Well, don't just like sit there scraping the spoon, but yes.
Camera.
Oh, you hunt them out in the wood? Oh, yeah, you can use those.
This is like tuna.
Yeah, you can use those you find out in the woods.
This is like tuna.
I make, you know, I get home and I got somebody. Happy to come and
Thank
do
you
this
for
for
coming.
y'all.
Thank you.
This is a hot day.
If y'all talking to
Let our friend in it just like.
I don't like ducks. Just make sure I'm not in that picture.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. What's up? I'm on my best friend.